Hello everyone. In this video, I want to talk about how to download Eclipse software, how to install it, and how to develop Java project in the Eclipse. These points I want to cover in this video. First, I want to download Eclipse. So to use Eclipse, first Java software must be installed. So Java installed or not, I'm checking here. Okay, Windows R, CMD. Just type the command java c -version. If it is showing version like this, means Java installed. So in my computer, JDK 25 installed, Java 25 version installed here. So Java software is ready. Now I want to download Eclipse software. To download Eclipse software, open the browser, open google.com. In this, search for Eclipse software. Just type Eclipse download. Go to the official website, Eclipse IDE. Go to the official website, eclipseide.org. In this website, Eclipse software is available. So click on this link. See here download button is there. Click on download button. Eclipse software available for Mac, Windows and Linux. I am using Windows software. Okay, so I am clicking on XE8664. Now Eclipse software will be downloaded. Click on XE8664. It is showing page like this. See, click on download button. It downloads exe file now. In the default downloads location, exe file will be downloaded. It is downloading here. See. Okay, it is finished. Now Eclipse software downloaded in the default downloads location. I'm going to the default downloads location here. Okay, you can go like this or press Windows E, Windows Explorer. In this downloads, the downloads location, the software downloaded. So this is a exe file. It has Eclipse software that we want to install now. So to install it, right click on this file, right click on this file, select run as administrator option. See here, I want to develop Java programs, core Java programs. So that is where this first option is required for me. So select this option, Eclipse IDE for Java developers. Click on it. Okay, here install button is there. Click on install button. It is asking license agreement. Click on accept now. Now it is installing Eclipse software. Okay. Now successfully Eclipse software installed. To open it, click on launch. Or later if you want to launch, okay, here shortcut icon is there. Okay, click on this shortcut icon. Okay. So it is asking that if I am closing here, it is asking that do you want to launch? If I click on no, it is not opening. Now if I want to open Eclipse, so a shortcut is created. Double click on it. It is opening Eclipse IDE. It is asking create workspace where you want to save your project, where you want to store your programs. It is asking that workspace here. If you want to change the workspace, you can change by clicking on browse. I don't want to change. In the default location only, I want to save my Java projects. So directly I'm clicking on launch button. Because the first time I'm opening, it is showing like this. Welcome. I'm closing this one. Okay, because the first time I'm opening, it is displaying like this. Click on cancel here. Close all these things. Okay. Now I want to create Java project now. So first go to file menu. In that new option is there. In that Java project option is there. Go to file menu. In that new option is there. In that Java project option is there. I want to create new Java project. So click on this Java project option. Now it is asking project name here. I'm giving project name as Java Basics. Any name you can give. I'm giving name as Java Basics. So if you want to maintain modules information, give this module name here. Okay, otherwise it is not required. Okay, for basic programs, this modules information is not required. So uncheck it. And even if you are checking it, giving module name, no problem. Okay, but not required for basic programs. I'm unchecking it. Okay, then click on. Then select Java environment here. I want to use 25 JRE. So select Java SC 25 here. Then click on next. Okay, then click on finish. See here. In the Java Basics project, we got SRC folder. Now to develop the program, right click on SRC. Click on select new option. In this select class option, Java is object oriented programming language. So we write program in the form of classes and objects. So add the class now. How to add the class? Right click on SRC. Right click on SRC. Select the new option. Then select the class option. It is asking class name. So I'm giving class name as hello demo. Okay, here give package name here. Package name. I'm giving package name as generally for website we write like this. kl.com like this. Okay, for package name we write in the reverse. com.kl. This is the package name. Class name is hello demo. In that, if you want main method, then select this option. Public static void main. Select this option. If you don't want main method, don't select. I want main method, so I'm selecting this one. And I'm clicking on finish. See, we're getting the class like this. So here we need to write the code now. So here I'm writing the code. I want to print hello on screen. So write the printing statement. System.out.println. Hello. I want to run this program. First program development is over. I want to run this program. So to run the program, right click on this .java file. Right click on this. Observe here in the SRC. Okay, in the com.kl package, hello demo.java file is there. I want to run this one. So right click on it. Run as. Select run as option. In that Java application option is there. Click on it. Okay, which program you want to run, which files program you want to run, it is asking. I want to run hello demo.java program. Click on OK. I'm getting output as hello. See. So like this, you can practice Java programs. If you want to practice second program, right click on SRC. Again, same procedure, add class now, new. Select class option. Right click on SRC. Right click on SRC. Select new. Select class option. It is asking class name here. I'm giving class name as ESDemo. I want main method. Select this option. Click on finish. Now, second class I got. I'm writing printing statement system.out.print. Hello. Next, I want to get print welcome to Java system.out.print. Welcome to Java. I'm running this program now. Right click on this esdemo.java file. Select run as option. Select Java application. Okay, which files program you want to run, it is asking. esdemo.java only. Okay. See here, hello. Welcome to Java output we are getting. But notice here, welcome to Java we are getting in the same line. I want to change the line now. So to change the line, write to /n. /n means changes the line. You can write here also, or you can write here also, /n. /n changes the line. Okay, after welcome to, I want to get 5 spaces. To get 5 spaces, I'm writing /t. Run this program now. Right click on .java file, run as Java application. Okay. Observe the output here. Hello. Because of /n, line changed here. Because of /t, we are getting 5 spaces. So like this, we can practice Java programs. Or by clicking here also, you can run. Observe here. Shortcut is there on toolbar. When I move the cursor, it is saying that run ES demo, like that. By clicking here also, you can run the program. It is running the program. If you want to run this hello demo.java, go to that file. See here, I'm moving cursor to this run icon. It's showing that run hello demo. Okay, hello demo program. Like this also you can run. Now I want to develop one more project. Second project I want to develop. Again, same procedures we have to follow. Close all these previously opened projects files. Close all those files. Okay, minimizing it. Now I want to add one more project. I want to create one more project. Go to file, select new, select Java project, same procedure. For first project, we followed these steps only. Same steps I'm following. File, new, Java project. It is asking project name. I'm giving project name as operators. Okay, if you don't want modules information, uncheck it. No, if you want modules information, check it and give the module. For basic programs not required. So I'm not giving any module name here. Click on next. So under operators project, SRC folder will be created when we click on finish. Okay, so I'm clicking on finish here. SRC created. I want to develop operator related programs. So to develop Java program, right click on SRC, select new, select class. It is asking class name. I'm giving class name as arithmetic demo. Arithmetic demo. to demonstrate arithmetic operators. I want to develop this program with a package name here. Any name you can give. Any name you can give. Okay, I'm giving package name as. I'm giving package name as. Okay, generally for website address we write like this: klh.com or klh.in. For package name we write in the reverse: in.klh. Okay, I want main method. So select this option. Public static void main. Click on finish. Class is added. Develop the code now. Write the code here. Okay. Int x comma y. I want to calculate x plus y value. I'm giving x value as 5 here, y value as 4 here. I want to print x plus y value. So write system.out.println sum equals to concatenation operator x plus y value I want to print. Next, here I want to print x minus y value. X minus y. Difference equals to x minus y. I want to print x into y value. Product equals to x into y. Like this, we can develop the program. I want to run this program now. So to run this program, right click on this .java file. In the run as, select the option Java application. It is running the program. It is asking which program you want to run. Arithmetic demo.java. Click on OK. See, you are getting the output like this. 5 plus 4, 9. 5 minus 4, 1. 5 into 4, 2. So like this, you can practice Java programs. Thank you for watching this video.